Hello guys, welcome to my show Creativity with Aagya. So my name is Aagya and today we are going to make water diyas. So we need the accessories are, if you want you can take glitter, then a paintbrush, color of your choice, some water, cooking oil, diya wick and diya wick holder, which we are going to make with plastic. So let's start. So here are my 3 containers. So I have to take one opaque, one transparent and one more transparent. So now we are going to add water. So I am adding little bit of water. Okay. So now I am going to add oil. So we want only 2-3 spoons. But first I am going to color this cup. I am taking some color. You can take of your choice. So it is. And now I'm going to make, I'm now mixing it here also. I'm putting some oil and here also. We have to mix it. Now I'm mixing. And this one. Now I'm going to put this glitter. And now we are going to make diya wick. So I have taken some cotton and now I am rolling in my palm like this. Now this is my diya wick holder. I have made it from plastic. I have cut it in square and now I am going to put this in this. Okay. I'm putting it in this. And now I'm rubbing this all in my hand and rolling on the diya wick, so that the cotton will take fire fast. So I'm making this of 3. So here I have done this with blue color and I have made 2 more diya wicks and I have put this green color and some glitter on this also. So now I'm going to light it. Let's go. So here's my matchbox. I'm taking one. So here I have made 2 more wicks, diya wicks, and I have colored this with green color and I have put some glitter on this, and here I have done with this blue color and a little of glitter on this. So now I am going to light it. Let's go. I have the stick here. Okay, I'm going to take another one. So I have lighted this here and I'm going to light this. See guys, wow, it's very beautiful. Please, if you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
I could be your little baby, let me see your heart. You could be my little baby, come to my heart, come to me. I want you, come to me. Oh baby, come to me. I want you, come to me.